Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new product we're launching, which is the side molding kits for the 2020 and up Kia Soul. Precision part number is WSKF 5174. Now these are direct OEM replacements that have been field tested to ensure proper fitment. Some of the features are a liner to protect the high gloss finish, clip retainers molded into the molding, also anti-rattle foam on the moldings. These complement our other part for this application, which is the PCK 5174-20. Remember to ask for the WSKF 5174 from your favorite auto glass distributor.